Hello, how are you? I am fine, dear. Where are you going? I am going to the school. Can you help me? I want to learn English. I want to speak fluent English. I am learning English. Nowadays, I am finding a job. I am very hardworking and dedicated person. Let's go for a walk. What time is it? I am hungry. I am thirsty. How was your day? My day was good. Let's have a tea. I am feeling sleepy. I have to go now. See you tomorrow. Take care. I am coming in 5 minutes. Everything will be fine. I have to go to Shimla. I am planning to do online work. I am planning to go abroad. I want to learn AI skills. I want to earn more. For more sentences, please like and subscribe this channel.